guys, it's Bro Awesome. Welcome to a boat racing vlog. Right now I am stuck in a porta potty because it is raining very hard out, so I'm bunkered down in here. But once the rain stops, I'm going to go outside, film the boat racing activities, and this will be a very cool vlog, so let's get to it. Hopefully the race course doesn't get too wet. Guys, the rain stops. Look at this boat. Literally. Guys, right now the finals are getting ready to start, the championships of today. There's more racing tomorrow. Okay guys, that was it for today's racing, and right now I am on the mile-long walk back to the car, but we're gonna go ahead and get to tomorrow's. It says see you next year. We're gonna be here tomorrow. They're racing tomorrow. What? I am in the boat. Oh, whoa. Oh, this is small. This is gonna be hard getting out. Oh, I gotta get back real fast. Oh, the races are starting. I gotta get back. Oh no. Two boats just flipped. I missed it. Guys, you will not believe what just happened. So you may have saw it a little bit, but I decided not to film this one race. I've been filming every race in case something happens, and I decided not to film this one and a boat flips. Absolutely amazing. Guys, the big boats are in about 5 minutes. I'll record the whole race. I probably won't show the whole race though. It takes like 10 minutes for the full race, so yeah. Oh no, he wrecked! He wrecked! He wrecked! Oh no! All the wrecked, dead, losing boats come in, being towed by other smaller, non-racing boats. Drivers sitting on the top of the boats, depressed. What a sad sight. Oh, there I am! Oh, there I am again. Just looking at my phone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Thank you to the GPW Hydrofest, or whatever it was called, for letting me film there. I did get some awesome shots, but you guys probably didn't get to see them. Again, I'm sorry that happened. But I think it was still an enjoyable video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Again, make sure to subscribe. Until next time, see ya. Play outro music.